So we're starting our run, me and the big boy, me and Simba. Where are we, Simba? We're starting in 40 Hill. We're going to do the whole of 40 Hill. You feel me? That outdoor season has started. So we're going to get it cracking. We're at it. We're still in 40 Hill. Look at them. You look at the horses. Look at them. This is the environment. We're still doing it like in fitness. Outdoor season. I'm gonna kick it off. Still in the forest. Come on, Simba. I love it. I love it. Yeah. School of hard knocks. That's it. No days off. We woke up the pigs them. We're in the pigs territory now. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Yes. That's it. That's it. Let's see how Simba's gonna react to them. It's a standoff. It's a standoff. It's a standoff. The pig's thinking, what going for you, mate? What's wrong with you? The pig's thinking, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, Simba? Yeah. We're on our 40 Hill. Come back in there. Come back in there. You can't go there. We're on our 40 Hill. Up by 40 Hill, we did it.